Hey everyone, Phone Transformer here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix NFC not working on your iPhone by following these steps. So let's get started. First thing is that you want to make sure your phone is compatible. iPhone 7 or onwards supports NFC. So if you have an older iPhone, unfortunately it doesn't support NFC, just the way they design it. Now one of the big things when it comes to NFC is make sure that you can actually get the sensor activated. If you have thick metal or heavy case, sometimes that gets blocked. So when you try to do a scan with the NFC, it not going to work. Try removing it as they can interfere. Sometimes even things like pop sockets or any accessories can also block that connection. After you have done that, make sure you have also pointing in the right direction. When it comes to NFC, you want to be at a very close range, just around this area, top portion of the phone or so, and then actually scan it. The next thing you want to go ahead and verify, if you haven't done so, is making sure you have a payment method in your Apple wallet. If you don't have a payment method, you want to go ahead and open your Apple wallet and add a payment method. For example, if you are adding a credit or debit card, just go ahead and follow the steps to add it directly onto your wallet. Without a credit or debit card, basically you won't be able to process your NFC chip to do payment and such. So that's another thing you want to keep in mind. If you're still having issues, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is just making sure you don't have any restriction. In your settings, if you go to the screen time, and if you happen to have content and privacy restriction turn on, you can have this. But make sure that under allowed apps and features, you're allowing the wallet. If the wallet is turned off, it's going to be able to access that. So you want to make sure that it's turned on as well. Along with that, if you're still having the issue, next thing I to do is just make sure to update your phone. In your setting, go to general, then go to software update and update the latest version. Sometimes a previous update might causing issues and new update may fix this for you. There's an update available. If you did the update in your settings, go to general here and then go down and to transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset and do a reset network settings. When you do a network setting reset, basically it's going to go ahead and reset the network settings like the NFC itself. It will not delete any of your data, but it's really crucial, important step to do when it comes to troubleshooting your NFC reader. The final thing to do, if you are still having the issue, just go ahead and restart your iPhone. You can do this by pulling down on the top menu and clicking on the power icon right there to turn it off and on. Or you can also use the volume down and the side button as well, just like this, and just go ahead and slide the power off. Then power it back on by using power button or connecting to a charger. A simple restart sometimes fix any software issue that may be preventing the NFC tag or reader from working. And that's it. For some reason, if your NFC is still not working, it could potentially be hardware related issue. In that case, that usually happens if you had a sudden drop, water exposure or recent repair. If that is in case, you will have to get it to an Apple store or authorized retail shop to take a look at it and fix the actual hardware. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I will see you guys next time.